My name is Comrade Chinwendu Isaac Odowa. I was a former National Deputy President, National Youth Council of Nigeria, and also an opinion leader in Omrelu community where this incident took place. It was terrible. We have not had, in fact, this one was something else, where Dr. Darlington Oji, the CTC chairman of Ikwerre local government, came to Omrelu yesterday to give out palliative and also empowerment to the youth, the women, and other persons. Opinion leaders were seated, the offer holders were seated, everybody in the community came, and they came to receive Dr. Darlington Oji. Surprisingly, Samuel Nwanosike, from nowhere with his talk and some policemen, he led some policemen and talks, and they came to the community. They were shooting direct to the people. I don't know what the community has done to Samuel Nwanosike. And he was calling the governor a fool. In fact, I am sending message to federal government. Let President Tinubu, let him take note. Let DSS, the Yellow House should take note. Louis-Death House should take note. All the police and security formation should take note of what Dr. Samuel Nwanosike is doing. He is not a member again. He is not a council chairman anymore. He is not a local government chairman anymore. He should keep off. His people have rejected him. Go to Jare, where he's building hotel in Jare. The hotel he's building in Jare, he used his mouth to confess that that hotel in Jare is more than 4 billion. Ordinary local government chairman. In fact, I'm using this opportunity to call EFCC to investigate the fund under Samuel Nwanosike's word. If EFCC refuse to investigate the fund, I am a national figure. We will protest against Samuel Nwanosike, and we will make sure that Samuel Nwanosike is brought to book. Enough is enough. Nobody has monopoly of violence. Calling on the king of Omagwan, the royal highness of Omagwan, to call their son Samuel Nwanosike to order. To call him to order. If he refuses to call him to order, we will fight with him. We will battle with him since he has decided to turn Omrelu as theater of war. We will battle with him. After battling with him, we will go to his community and battle his community. If they refuse to arrest Samuel Nwanosike for this dastardly act, this barbaric act, this obnoxious act that he came to perpetrate in Omrelu, we will never leave any stone unturned until Samuel Nwanosike is brought to book. It is not by force to rule people. There is no constitution in Nigeria that gives people third tenure. I know that Nigeria have not amended their constitution to that level. Samuel Nwanosike's tenure cannot be extended. He has done two terms. He has done 6 years. He has done 6 years. He should step aside. And we have now the caretaker committee chairman, Dr. Darlington Oji. I call on EFCC. I call on Commissioner of Police of Rivers State to investigate where Samuel Nwanosike is seeing all those arms and ammunition that he used to mend and cause mayhem. The police, the primary duty of police is to secure the people, protect life and properties. But I see no reason why Samuel Nwanosike will be doing this, and police are accomplices. If they are not accomplices, let them come and claim and arrest Samuel Nwanosike. And I call upon the governor of Rivers State that have been maintaining peace. You can't maintain peace on the detriment of your people. You can't say let peace reign and people are killing your people. You must stand up to fight the battle. Samuel Nwanosike should be arrested and be taken to court and be tried. That is the position of the community.
I'm Chief G.U. Amadi JP from Omrelu community, the chairman of all village chairmen in Omrelu.
The news of the chaos that was perpetrated 3 days ago by the former Boss Council chairman, in person of Engineer Nwanosike Samuel, as a first-hand eyewitness, what do you have to say concerning the events that day?
Okay, on that fateful day, people of Omrelu community gathered to receive federal palliative that was to be shared to them by the CTC chairman, Dr. Darlington Oji, who came to give us palliative, where some hoodlums or some persons who came in company of Samuel Nwanosike, the late past council chairman, with his men came and opened fire on innocent citizens of Omrelu, where some were inflicted with gunshot injuries and machetes. And at that time, the holders and chiefs and the women wings and all opinion leaders of the community were there in Omokroga Town Hall, where we used to gather to receive the palliative. Unfortunately, we saw the ugly side of the event, which was not what we bargained for. And Omrelu is not known for violence. We were surprised on the attack to people of Omrelu. About 3 machines from the 4 holders were scattered away. Some vehicles, about 10 vehicles, were damaged beyond repair on that fateful day. And the pictures are viral on social media.
Have you seen the patients that were shot?
Yes, we are at the hospital where we came to. Here are some of the gunshot victims. As you can see, this left leg is condemned. Not for attention of the doctors who are promptly giving them treatment. Like this one you can see here, on his forehead there is a bullet wound. At his back, these are all bullet wounds. These are all bullet wounds. The spinal cord is affected. Like this one is a right leg there. As you can see, he's lying there, helpless. He's an orphan who came to receive a palliative. So nothing. You see this one is a graduate. All of them are graduates. They just came to receive a council chairman, CTC chairman, and they met the ugly side of it. So this is some of them too. This is some of them. This one, the case is too critical. That is too much on him. He hasn't spoken since then. So it is, we don't know. But we pray God will help to revive him. Then this one is a machete, a very deep machete cut. And his teeth, they blow, some of his teeth were pulled out. This is what they did to the human being. Then this one is one of the victims. These are bullet wounds. These are bullet wounds. This from the back, the 2 legs. He hasn't walked since then. The 2 legs.
My name is Ifeanyi. I am from Omrelu.
Okay, so what happened? What transpired from the gunshots?
We are informed that the CTC chairman, Dr. donaldtrump, the chairman of Ikwerre local government, is coming to Omrelu for federal government palliative. So all the community went to that place, irrespective of party. So when we got there, on the arrival of the chairman, within 5 minutes, we saw the entourage of Mr. Nwanosike, the former council chairman. He drove in with police and some gunmen, hoodlums. They started shooting gun at us. Everybody was running. They sprayed bullets all over the community, that in community town hall. They destroyed so many cars, went away with bags that people came there with. Destroyed both the hall, the Amoco glasses. They scattered them. Ishi came there to vandalize the community. Over 15 boys from the community were wounded with a gunshot bullet in their bodies.